wish you a happy learning with this video. Today we are going to discuss about funnel chart. I'm importing Microsoft Excel. DMAT Superstore is my file name. From there, I'm dragging orders sheet, which involves almost all details about orders, like who is ordering it as a customer, what products are being ordered, and there are numeric fields which you can play around. I'll be naming my sheet as profit by segment because we are working on that. Let's keep profit in rows. Now, if you want to closely observe, there is no direct way of creating funnel chart. From here also I'll show you there's not. If you think in a layman term, you would keep segment in the columns and then you would show segment by profit, right? But we are not doing that. Let's keep this as an entire view. It will be helpful. Now what I'm doing with profit is I'm not only keeping it in rows, but 4 more places. That's label, size, and color. It by default comes in the tooltip. I want to format my profit. So let me right click, format. I can show it as custom, give a dollar. So it shows rupees 00.0. You can decide the decimal value, how many zeros you want. I'm keeping only 1. Okay, so let's keep 2. So now it is showing in the currency format. To make it funnel, I'm dragging and keeping segment only in label, and it has created it. You can sort it in the upward or in the downward, however you want. You can toggle your sort from here. So this has created a funnel chart. Quick formatting for the sheet. I'm removing the grid lines to make it look clean. Clean grid lines from the rows. Yep, that's done. These values are still not readable to me. Let's format it more. Now for formatting, you can either do it right click and format from here, or individually you would have to format in the label and in the tooltip both. This is the convenient way. So once you make the change, it is done forever, right? Custom, I don't want any effects. I want to keep it as dollar, decimal, there are 2 values. Include 1000 separator, yes. So then now it is more better, right? So that's how you can format. This dollar could have been in suffix also, but our visual is created here. You can also keep colors based on your theme. For me, let's keep it a blue till. Yeah. So our visual is created over here, which is showing profit by segment. You can also show quantity and profit together. How? Keeping quantity in the color or in the size. You can play with this. But for us, it is not going to be effective. You see, as and when the quantity is increasing, the profit is also increasing. We are going in the same direction. So that distinct understanding or insight is not highlighted over here if you play with quantity. But what you can do is rather play with the ratio. If you keep ratio of quantity like that in the color section, then that might give you more valuable insights. But for now, profit is making things for us. So I want to stand with funnel chart. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts or suggestions on this chart, please do let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to solve your confusion. Stay connected. Thank you. Please like and share. Yeah, that would help me. Not only me, but people like you who are more interested in learning. So let's grow together.